ANKA-3 UCAV achieves milestone with successful air-launched missile test. It just happened. Turkey's newest stealth drone, the ANKA-3, has crossed a major milestone, firing a missile live, in flight, in full stealth mode. This isn't just another weapons test. This could change the balance of air power in the region. What makes this drone different? Why is the entire defense world watching? Stick around. We're breaking it all down. Just weeks ago, Turkish Aerospace Industries announced something huge. The ANKA-3 had successfully launched a missile while airborne. No remote pilot, no chase plane. A fully autonomous stealth UCAV firing a guided munition at altitude. This is next-gen warfare in action. In a significant advancement for Turkey's defense capabilities, the ANKA-3 Unmanned Combat Aerial Vehicle, UCAV, developed by Turkish Aerospace Industries, TAI, has successfully conducted its first air-launched missile test. This achievement underscores the nation's growing prowess in autonomous aerial warfare and precision strike technologies, development and capabilities of ANKA-3. The ANKA-3 isn't your typical drone. This is a delta-wing, jet-powered UCAV with stealth design, internal weapons bays, and next-gen sensors. Its role: deep strike missions, electronic warfare, and precision surveillance without ever being seen. The ANKA-3 is a stealthy delta-wing UCAV designed for multi-role missions, including reconnaissance, surveillance, and precision strikes. Powered by a single AI-322 turbofan engine, it boasts a maximum speed of 450 knots and can operate at altitudes up to 40,000 feet. With a maximum takeoff weight of 6.5 tons, the ANKA-3 can carry up to 200 kilograms of munitions, such as SOMJ cruise missiles, small diameter bombs, and the domestically produced Tolun guided munition, the historic missile launch test. On April 8, 2025, TAI conducted a successful integration and live test of the ANKA-3 UCAV with the jet-powered Super Şimşek target drone. The test involved a wing-mounted launch, marking a significant step in the advancement of Turkey's unmanned aerial combat capabilities. In a separate test conducted on January 13, 2025, the ANKA-3 successfully deployed the Tolun guided munition from its internal weapons bay at an altitude of 20,000 feet and a speed of 180 knots. This test demonstrated the platform's internal weapons bay functionality and operational capability, highlighting its potential for stealth operations. The test that shocked observers. So what happened during this latest test? On April 8, 2025, over the skies of Turkey, the ANKA-3 launched a high-speed drone missile known as Super Şimşek from its wing. At altitude and speed, a textbook launch, but this wasn't the only test. Back in January, ANKA-3 also dropped the Tolun-guided munition from its internal bay, proving it could strike from stealth without revealing its location. Technological innovations and strategic implications. The successful integration of the Tolun munition into the ANKA-3's internal weapons bay represents a significant technological achievement. The Tolun munition, developed by Aselsan, uses GPS-INS guidance for precision targeting with a circular error probability of less than 10 meters. It can penetrate 1 meter of reinforced concrete when released from 30 nautical miles away and has been tested under electronic warfare conditions, maintaining precision under GNSS jamming. The ANKA-3's ability to carry and deploy munitions from an internal station reduces its radar cross-section, enhancing survivability against advanced air defense systems. This stealth capability is crucial for operations in contested airspaces, allowing the platform to perform precision strikes with minimal risk of detection. So, why is this a big deal? Stealth launch capability. Launching from inside the aircraft maintains radar invisibility. Electronic warfare ready. The Tolun has anti-jamming navigation, operational autonomy, no pilot, no delay, real-time battlefield response. This means Turkey now has a drone that can fly undetected into contested airspace, hit a target and vanish, all without risking a pilot. Future prospects and enhancements. Looking ahead, TAI plans to equip the ANKA-3 with twin TEI TF1000 turbofan engines under development as domestic alternatives to the General Electric F110. These engines are expected to provide supersonic capability, supporting operations alongside supersonic manned fighters. Such enhancements will further bolster the ANKA-3's role in Turkey's defense strategy, enabling it to conduct a broader range of missions with increased effectiveness. But TAI isn't stopping here. They're already planning a supersonic version, empowered by the homegrown TF1000 engine. Imagine an ANKA-3 flying alongside F-16s or even Turkey's upcoming Kaan fighter, fully integrated into a manned-unmanned strike force. This is not just about regional defense. It's a statement. Turkey is becoming a UAV superpower. The successful air-launched missile test of the ANKA-3 UCAV marks a significant milestone in Turkey's defense industry. It demonstrates the nation's growing capabilities in autonomous aerial warfare and precision strike technologies, positioning Turkey as a formidable player in the global defense arena. The age of drones is here, and ANKA-3 may be one of the most dangerous we've ever seen. What do you think? Will unmanned stealth fighters dominate future air wars? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and hit that bell so you never miss a story like this one.